Hello and welcome to this daily energy update. So this is part of the 21 Days of Energy series, and it is the very last day of our second week. So we are 2/3 of the way through this series. I hope that it's been a beautiful experience. I love reading your comments and how what we talk about and the different energies really are applying to your life and your experience, and it's been very beautiful going through this. So thank you so much for participating. So if you are new, my name is Rachael from Reiki with Rachael. I am a Reiki master, an energy healer, a card reader. If you want individual services, card readings, intuitive readings, healing sessions, twin flame healing sessions, all of that information's below. What we've been doing is pulling a daily oracle card, talking about the energy, and then we finish with a 5-minute Reiki energy healing session. So this whole week we know has really been about forward moving momentum. And the last card, well, I'll just show it to you. It's the loneliness card. Don't freak out. It says, I know that I'm never alone. And whenever I pulled this, I know that a lot of people who are going through this process with me are part of the Twin Flame Collective. So no twin flame who's in separation, especially, or nobody really likes to get the loneliness card, let's be honest. So I'm like, you know what? Let me pull a second card just to clarify, because I don't want anybody to freak out or have this bring about any sort of fears in you, because that just blocks the energy. So this card again states, I know that I'm never alone. And the second card that came up was the friendship card. It says, I understand that a friend is in my life for a reason. What these cards are really encouraging us to remember is that there's so much support out here for us. And every relationship, whether that is with your twin flame, whether that is with friends, karmic relationships, people that you don't talk to anymore, every single person in your life was there for a reason. But for today, what really the main energy is just relying on others for support. Today is absolutely a day to call a friend up, to be active in communities like this with like-minded people, to read through comments and see how you relate to other people's journeys. That can be a way that you're really remembering that you are not alone. It can be a day to call an old friend up just because you know that they were in your life or are in your life for a reason. It's a time to connect. A lot of this week has been growth for us, but on a very personal, individual level. And especially yesterday, we were very, very much encouraged to go within and not really look to the outside world. Today, you're being encouraged to look to the outside world and look for the support and look for validation that you are never alone. And if you can't find this right now, or you feel like you can't find it here in the physical plane, then it's a wonderful time to do a meditation just to connect to your guides, to your guardian angels, to any archangels that you know is there for you, and ask them for support. So you can get support on a physical level from people who are here right now, but you can also always just feel it. If you open yourself up and you set the intention, you say, to my guardian angels or whatever archangel is with me right now, I'm asking you for support. Sometimes this journey can feel lonely. It really can. But the more that we are able to see there's so many other people going through this at the same time, and that we are all connected. If you see this picture, everybody's standing around the world, and you see all of their higher selves, all this light, this is all connected. So they might seem separate. Everything's separate on a physical level, but on the higher level, on that spiritual plane, there is absolutely a connection. There's a connection between me and you. That's why a lot of us have had very similar experiences going through this process. It's that connection. So rely on that. Rely on it for support. A lot of us want to be the support for everybody in our lives. We want to be that strong person. We want to bring that light. But we have to, it is just as important to allow the light back in. So just appreciate the support that you have on this physical plane and make some sort of effort to reach out for it today. Now it can be on a superficial level. You don't have to let, your old friend know everything you've been going through, but sometimes it just feels good just to laugh, just to have fun. And like I said, if you just don't feel like doing that on the physical plane, then reach out for that support from the higher beings, these light beings. They're here to help us, but we have to ask and we have to let them. It might also be a day, and I just got this, it might also be a day to search for like-minded people. I mentioned this in one of my videos, the relationship one. Maybe looking for a meetup or something at the spiritual center, like maybe something you've been thinking about going to, but your ego is like, I don't know. The energy for today is saying it's time to connect on some level to some other being. It's time to connect. So I'm going to send just a very collective, beautiful, supportive energy during this Reiki session today. And I'm sending it from my heart to yours, but at the same time, I'm also allowing your light back to me. So I during every Reiki session, I do protective symbols to protect us, because when we open ourselves up, and a lot of us are empaths, when we open ourselves up, it hasn't led to good things in the past. Okay, it's led to a collection of negative energies. So when you're doing this and you're opening yourself up, please set the intention that you're open to only receiving love and light. And just visualize yourself being shielded by that love and light, and you state the intention that you absolutely are not allowing any negative or lower vibrational energy in. So I just want to give that little disclaimer. But yes, let's get ready for this energy exchange. So just find a comfortable place. I'm going to set the timer on my phone. I'm going to connect to your energy and do 5 minutes of Reiki energy healing. I hope you enjoy. just gonna wipe off your energy off mine. Disconnect, so be it and so it is. Thank you so much for being a part of that. I really felt a connection. I mean, I just got this like visual of this energy exchange between all of us, and it was, I feel so good right now. I feel so revitalized, and that's because of you. So thank you. Okay, so on to week 3. Our final week starts tomorrow. Just for anybody who comments or emails me or orders anything, I am at a Reiki retreat this weekend. So I pre-recorded this so that I could get these out here, but I just want to let you know I will get to everything, but it probably won't be until like Monday or Tuesday, so just hold tight and I apologize. Okay, I hope you have such a beautiful day. I'm sending all my love. Namaste.